Today we've got a special treat. We're going to be learning how to make real Southern grits with Chef Greg Collier. Now grits is very simple, but it's easy to mess up. So it's simple but complicated. Come on in.
It's a blend of white grits, which is standard corn, yellow corn, and Coteto orange grits, which is like it's a orange kind of cheddar-y flavored grits. The grits ratio, as we go through it, is 4 parts liquid to 1 part grain. A lot of grits recipes say put the grits in cold. We like to boil our liquid. We like to start with the salt. You might want to put coriander in there. You might want to put paprika in the grits. You might want to put Cajun seasoning in the grits. But you do your grits how you want to do your grits.
What about sugar?
I didn't bring it up because it's not a real thing. You got 4 cups of liquid. This is milk and water, and you got a 1/4 pound of butter. You'll kind of see how the liquid and the butter together kind of make a cooking sauce, I guess.
Ooh.
See that thing jumped over me, can't go forward?
I know. Oh God.
Y'all got that? See, how did you get that?
I see this trick you did though. So when you put the twist across the top of it, that stops it from boiling over.
Slows it down. While it's boiling, obviously, you want to take the grits and whisk them in. So you want to whisk them until they come back to a boil, because once they come back to a boil, you want to start cutting it down. Because your goal is to kind of rehydrate the grits.
So now tell me, how did you learn all of this grits technique?
I was always in the kitchen with my granny. The whole process, like food, farming, all the other things that she did, and I just didn't really know it. And I found out later that everybody was like, yeah, it makes sense that you're a chef. It makes sense that you do local farms. It makes sense because you did it when you were younger. This is what you're looking for. You're looking for that kind of bubbling water, not that super fast water, and not no movement. Because with the bubbles, you get constant movement. So once you get to that stage, to where it's bubbling like that, you really ain't got to stir it. I think when you kind of look at what we do, Southern food, not soul food, the point of it is to accentuate the ingredients, accentuate the techniques, and kind of pay homage to the chefs that came before me. And the chefs that came before me pay homage to the chefs that came before them. You see how it's sticking it up, and you already see the grits at the top.
Right.
Because I stirred it the whole time. A lot of people at this point put a top on it.
Okay.
And the reason why they put a top on it is because you can cook it on a lower temperature, but because of the pressure, it's cooking from the top and the bottom.
Okay.
We like to do this because our goal is to get the creamiest grits as possible. Putting the top on stops evaporation.
Yes.
And once you stop evaporation, you can have creamy grits, but it's still gonna be a lot of water.
Oh, gotcha.
The way you get thicker grits is by letting the evaporation happen.
And so I see you got it down very, very low.
Super low. And that's all. The thing is, you start high, right? You stir it, kind of rehydrate it, kind of start to cook the grains, right? You cut it down while it's still going, right? Still bubbling, maybe medium. Stir it for a little while, and then once it starts thickening up like it is, that's where you can kind of put a top on it and let it go.
Okay.
These grits are done, are no longer gritty. We got 2 parts of grits.
Yes.
One we started today has been cooking for what, maybe 35, 40 minutes?
Yeah, about that.
One we cooked this morning earlier, then cooked for like 2 hours. Cool down, and then recook. Texturally, you can kind of see some difference in it. All that liquid is cooked out of there. This still kind of got some liquid and it's moving different. That ain't gonna know. Taste these first. These are the ones we cooked today.
Very creamy. A ton of texture. These grits are chunkier than what commercial grits. You know what I'm saying?
Way chunkier.
Way chunkier.
Yeah.
But it's so much. It's a much better mouthfeel.
A lot of times when people eat our grits, they're taken aback by that texture because most people use the fine to medium ground grits if they're not using poison grits. And as I say all the time, it's fine, but I like that texture because I think it really tells the story and you're having a conversation about what the corn tastes like.